Good morning, grade six. So I'm sorry I won't be with you today for the meets, and I can't wait to hear about your weekends and see you tomorrow. Here's the work for today, though. There is work. So for math, you should be done subtracting now. And we're moving on to doing word problems with adding and subtracting. Um, so today you're going to use a Jamboard, though. It's not a Google slide, it's a Jamboard. Each of you have your own copy. You just have to open this link and it's yours. Each slide has a math problem on it that you need to solve, and you must show your work. Don't just write the answer. You have to show me how you got your answer. So here's the Jamboard. So each slide has a question and a box for you to write your answer in. And the first slide is an example for you. So the question will be on the side. The school has 150 students. 80 of the students are boys. How many are girls? This is where you can show your work. So you can write it out. I want to see how you're writing it out, how you're lining up the place value spots, and how you're crossing off to either regroup, how you're crossing off to regroup or borrow. And if it's addition, I want to see how you're carrying the numbers over to the next column. This is what I really want to see. This is the most important part. Okay, so that's math today. Social, it's you're going to create your own Athenian character. Kind of think of it as like your own Bitmoji or avatar for our ancient Athens unit. So here are the slides. I'm just going to open them this way so they're already open. You're creating a citizen. What do you notice about how they dress? So I want your citizen to be somewhat authentic, to have some of the same kind of hair, clothing. You can even Google some of the things. So male or female, you need to choose if you're going to be male or female. Here's a link to help you with drawing a person. And once you're done your drawing, I want you to put a picture of it here so Miss Kish can see what it looks like. You can use like pen and pencil to draw it on paper and take a picture. Or if you know some digital tool online to make an avatar or a person that looks like an Athens character, you can use that as well. It's up to you. I'm leaving this creative up to you. And then I also want you to name your character. So here's some good links to some names. So again, in this box, put your character's picture in the name. Literacy today, I'm going to have you write a little book report for me or film it. I'm not sure exactly what that'll look like. I'll hand it out to you later this week. But for right now, the first step is to actually open our Epic Books, go to Epic Books, and all of you will have at the top like a message from Miss Kish, and it's a new assignment called Greek mythology. So you'll click on the Greek mythology assignment, and here are the books I want you to look through. Look through these books and find one of these Greek mythology characters that you would think you'd be interested in reading this book. And once you're done that, you're going to go back to here, click on the Google form. And then you're going to fill out the form. Your name, what book you decided to use. So let's say Ms. Kish decided to use Eros. I'm going to put that in that spot, Eros, and then why I chose that book. I think he looks cool. He has an arrow. He's archery. He flies. I don't know. Pick something. Tell me why you think that book would be interesting for you. Okay, and that's it. That's all you have to do for literacy today. You can start reading your book if you'd like. That would be cool. And the other thing, grade six, please go back through. Make sure you've done all the social slides so far in Athens. So if you have not done any social slides, you have some work to do. My other recommendation would be to go through science, the evidence and investigation unit, because you probably have things to finish in there as well. And there is, under our classroom, today's announcements, there's a new news article about the Eksha cookie thefts. So I hope you enjoyed that. And I will see you tomorrow morning. And you can get a hold of Miss Kish if you need to through email or messaging. Have a good day, grade six.